Now we are going to discuss about the numerical based on graph. In such type of numerical, firstly we will take the example of distance time graph, where time will be on x-axis and distance at y-axis. Already given, this graph is already included in the question. The question is there, the graph on this figure shows the position of the body at different times. You can see time started from 2 till 10 and the distance started from 0 at point A 2 till 7. So we can understand now they are saying to calculate the speed of the body as it moves from A to B, B to C and C to D, means from A to B in first position, B to C second one and C to D in third positions. In all the situations they are saying to find the value of the movement. Now in first case, when a body is moving from A to B, in the movement of A to B, we can say then if firstly we will find the distance covered. What was the final distance? At the final point, the distance covered by the body was 3 centimeter and initial as we know 0. So distance moved will be 3 minus 0 will be 3 centimeter. 3 minus 0 means initially 0 and finally 3, so 3 minus 0 will be 3 centimeter. At the same time we can consider A to B. At the point B time was 5 and initial time was 2. Initial time was 2. So 5 and 2, 5 minus 2 will be 3. So here 3 second and 3 centimeter. Speed will be, velocity is equal to distance upon time. Distance 3, time 3 divided and we got the answer 1 centimeter per second. This is the first case. If we will go for the B to C second case, in this situation the distance covered by the body means initial point of the body was 3, at the same time final position of the body was also 3, indicated that body is not moving, and by the graph we have already understood that in such type of graph we can say that body was in rest position. So distance covered by the body B minus C means 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So distance covered 0 and time taken 7 minus 5. At final position time was 7 seconds and in initial position time was 5 seconds. So 7 second minus 5 second, 2 second. Again speed is equal to distance upon time, 0 upon 2 will be 0. Indicated from A to B, body has covered 1 centimeter, the speed of the body was 1 centimeter per second. From B to C, the speed of the body was 0 meter per second, centimeter per second. Fine. Now in third position, if when they are asking the position of the body, speed of the body at point C to D, when a body start reaching from C to D, here final position of the body is D. At the same time we can say initial position of the body is C. So now again the same thing, time taken, the distance covered 7, D 7 and C 3. 7 minus 3 will be 4. So 4 centimeter distance covered and time taken 9 minus 7 means 2 seconds. Now here speed is equal to velocity is equal to speed is equal to distance upon time. 4 upon 2 will be 2 centimeter per second. So by the help of graph very easily we can find the value of speed. We have already discussed when I explained the graph. Just try.